SakaFet, it's Roma here, and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be making a simple cornbread recipe. So keep watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get cooking. So this is everything you're going to need to make your cornbread. We have 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. I have Himalayan pink salt, but you can use white salt. That's fine. Whatever you have, that's okay. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 3/4 cups of corn. Now this is canned corn, and that's okay. You can also use frozen corn, but you might want to cook it before you add it to your cornbread mixture. Then you have 1/4 cup of cooking oil, and again you can use any oil, avocado oil, vegetable oil. This is corn oil. 1 cup of grated cheddar, 1 cup of buttermilk, and 2 eggs. So now we're going to mix all our dry ingredients together in a large bowl. We put our regular flour and cornmeal, salt, baking powder, baking soda, and sugar. We're going to stir until it's all combined. This is so simple. So now we are going to grate our cheddar, and this is a sharp old cheddar, so it has a lot of punch to it, and we need 1 cup. So I'm just going to grate some, and then I'm going to measure it out and get 1 cup. Whatever I don't need, I will put it away for next time. Alright, we're all done. So all grated, and we want to measure 1 cup. To mix our wet ingredients. So we pour our buttermilk in this bowl. We are going to add our cooking oil, and then 2 eggs. Now we are going to combine the dry and the wet ingredients. So you put a little well in the middle, and you just pour it in and gently stir it in. Give it a good stir. This is so easy. Now this recipe, if you could serve, I would say maybe 6 to 8 people. So if you wanted, you could always double the recipe, and that would be better. So now we're going to add our corn and our cheddar. first. We're going to put some corn. Stir that in. Some butter. I'm going to just grease my pan. Now you can use cooking spray if you prefer, but I like butter because I like the flavor. Add to it. That's it, ready for the oven. So we are going to bake at 350 for about 30 minutes. And here you have it, our finished product. Thank you for joining me today and can't wait to see you next time.